Well, good evening everyone. Am I audible? Please confirm me once. We'll start the session. Yes. So, as I already informed, today we are going to create our first website. So, by using all the structure elements which are available in the HTML, first I will show you the layout of the website. Then we will start creating our first website. Okay. Hope my screen is visible to everyone, right? Is that visible, guys? Yes, fine. So first of all, we will see the structure of the website. So see here, guys, this is what the structure of the website is. So in all the website, it should contain the header section, followed by the navigation section, followed by section, article, aside, and then footer. Okay, so this is what the basic structure of the website is. Okay, so what are the contents available in the website? Header, navigation, section, article, footer, and aside. Okay, so aside is used to place the elements in right side or left side. Okay, so people are clear with these contents. We will try to implement our first website. So I opened our site and our working tool, and I just saved with website.html name. So I'm just importing the HTML structure. Now I'm going to give the name of the website. So I just given the name of our institute itself. Okay, you can give whatever you want. First guys, so header section. So what are the contents that are available in the header section? Let me know, guys, what are the contents that are available in the header section? Comment down guys. So in the header, the name of name of the website or name of the institute will be there, followed by that what and all are the things available in the header section. So navigation is nothing but okay, I'll show you one website now, our website itself. We will implement one by one, no worry. So see here, guys, navigation is nothing but this one. Okay, so all the things, all the links are available here. No, these are the buttons. Okay, we will see first how to create this navigation button. Okay, yeah, so navigation, first of all we have to see the CSS. Okay, so before that I'll go with the heading. So I'm going with h1 tag. So there I'm mentioning the name, so I mentioned the name, and within this I will create one CSS. Okay, so I already informed you. So CSS can be used in a HTML document in the three ways: inline CSS, internal CSS, and the external CSS. Now I am using the internal CSS itself. Okay, I am creating one div tag. So div tag also we discussed in the last class. So I am creating one div. So for this div I am specifying the things. Okay, so I want the background color of this to be in gray color. Okay, so I'll go with the gray color. Now I'm giving the div tag here. So div I given. Shall we see the output parallelly? Shall we see the output parallelly, guys? Okay, I'll try to open the working file now along with the output. Yeah, I saved it with website. Okay, yeah. So I will specify this in left. Yeah, here we are working. So I just given the name. There it came. I want that the text is to be in center alignment. So align the content to center I given. So I'm just saving it and trying to refresh it. No, not came. For that you just give align and just save it. Okay. Yeah. So I'm opening one more thing here. That is, or else I'm going with the internal CSS style. So within this, text align to center. Okay, I'm giving it to center. So I will see the output once. Yeah, now it aligned to center, but I want this header to be of, yeah, I'm giving we will go with in previous class we discussed, so text padding. So do you remember it? Padding, I'm giving it with 50 pixels. I'm just saving it. Yeah, it came like this now. Then I'm going to create one more div for navigation. So div dot n I'm given. I'm opening the curly brackets. First we will try to go with the navigation button. So now is a tag which is available in the HTML, which is used for top, we are inserting buttons for that. Okay, so now, so within that you have to specify the links of those. Okay, so for that, for inserting a link we are using the anchor tag, right? So anchor tag, so followed by you have to specify the path. Okay, so if you didn't have any path, you just specify it with the hash. Okay, so I am telling this with home. Okay, home, and I am just closing the anchor tag. Same thing I will create. So as somebody told about something to be included, no? So about, then one more thing I am going to add, followed by that. So in our website exam is there, no? So I'm just including those things. We will discuss those things later. Okay, exam, whatever you want, you just give. Then result. Yeah, now I just try to save this. We'll see the output here. So see why these and all are came here. Any guess, guys? Why these and all are came here? Why? Because I mentioned within this div. That's why those and all came there. Now Now I am ending this div here itself. Okay, so now we are in the navigation. We'll save it once. Yeah, see here guys, so it came like this. What else we need to give? Same thing guys, same thing. For the navigation you have to add the CSS. Okay, so navigation, so I want the navigation is to be okay, background color of navigation is to be of, so whatever color you want you just give it. I'll go with orange. So whatever color you want guys, yeah, orange red I specified. I'm just saving it. You see here it is displayed with orange red color. Okay, orange red color. So what else we need to add? Padding guys. So padding, I'm going to give the padding with the 10 pixels. Okay, so 10 pixels. I'm just saving it and trying to refresh it. Yeah, see, it came like this. What else guys? What else we need to add? So I want these to be of button type, right? So for that I'm giving I'm creating one more class here. So that is for anchor tag. Okay, so anchor tags, wherever we are giving anchor tags, so that is to be included with borders. Okay, so for that I'm giving border I'm specifying it with 2 pixels solid black color. Okay, black. Yeah, I just saved it. We'll see once. Yeah, see here guys, now it's came with the border, right? Then I want these buttons to be of rounded. Okay, rounded. For that I'm giving radius. Okay, so border radius I'm giving 10. Okay, or else I will give 5 pixels. I just saved it. Yeah, see here guys, the buttons are changed like this. But one thing guys, there we inserted the anchor tag, right? So instead of that you can give the button as well. Okay, so input type equals to button. Okay, I'll try to give one more thing here. Input type equals to button. So button, then followed by that you just give button name with what else we need to add? Yeah, whatever you think guys. I am going with login. Okay, so I just saved it. Oh, so border not came. So this one thing also came. What else we need to do? Same for the yeah. So it's coming like this. So I am removing this here itself. I am specifying with name submit. No, it's not came. Wait a minute guys. Sorry guys, my health is not good, that's why. Yeah, here you just try to remove this. Instead of that, we will go with the button tag itself. So button tag, I'm just giving it with type. So we are giving the button, right? So same thing I'm giving here. So in between the button, I'm going with login. So I just saved it. We'll see the output again. Yeah, see here, now it came like this. Then if you want to add some more CSS property to this button, you can give. See which one is attractive, guys. So compared to these two, by using the anchor tag, it came like this. But when you use the buttons like this, it's attractive, right? So that's why go with the buttons itself. I just showed you the difference between the buttons and the anchor tags, how those are going to be displayed. Okay, so here for the button, I want same things, guys. So how we are given here, so button, the radius is to be of 5 pixels. Yeah, see here, button border is changed like this. Okay, so here you can give the link also. Okay, you can specify the link as well here. Clear, guys? Okay, so this is how the navigation bar will be. And then if I want these things, now these are aligned to, defaultly aligned to left, right, but I want these to be of right alignment. Okay, so for that you just give the align content or align items. First I'll go with the align content. We'll see whether it works or not. Why? Because we have to check everything, guys. No, it's not at all working. Then so align items, same thing I'm going to give, right? No, not at all working. Then what else we need to do? Is there any guess, guys? Any guess? Okay, you just try to work out on it, guys. You just try to work out on it. Definitely it will come. So till now header section completed and the navigation bar completed. Now we will see this aside. Okay, so how it works, those things and all we will see now. So clear with that, right? Please let me know in the comment section, guys. So clear with how to give the navigation bar and all. Fine, guys. Okay, so before that we will try to see the footer. Okay, we'll try to see the footer thing once. Now I wanted to give the footer. So inside of the footer I'm going to specify my Instagram and what else, guys? Twitter is there, everything. So there I wanted to add the links and also copyright likewise. Okay, so for that we are going to create the footer section here itself. So footer, See, we can give more functionalities, guys, but why I'm hesitating to give in this is till now we are not completed those what JavaScript, PHP and all. So if we use those things, the our website will be attractive. So it's just a basic website, okay? So how the website is and what are the layouts of the website, okay? So that's why I'm not at all telling you. So same thing is same things I'm going to give there also. So within the footer section I'm specifying this, and same I will just close this footer. Footer is now closed, but I want that footer is to be of gray color and that should be of 50 pixels, okay? So same thing. So you can give these things by comma also, guys, okay? So that will be applied to footer as well. We'll see the output once. So see here, guys, so footer also came now, same the header also came. Then we will try to add the content, guys, okay? We will try to add the content. So just now I told you, no, how this aside will work, okay? We will try to implement that aside in between the footer and the navigation bar, okay? So here I'm going with aside, yeah, aside, and then yeah, same I want some contents to be added. I'll go with the unordered list and trying to add something, okay? So unordered list, so in that I'm going to add the contents by using the list items. Yeah, I'm specifying it with link, okay? So whatever you can give anchor tag or what else you need to give, so you just give is. So anchor tag followed by the reference, give here I don't have any reference, that's why I'm going with the hash, and then I'm specifying it with results portal. Yeah, it's just enough. So we'll try to close the contents as well. Same thing, yeah, I'm just copying the things. So I added 4 things, okay? So I'm just trying to give with another name, whatever you want you just give, but here I'm just showing the layout and how the contents have to be aligned, that's it, okay? So about, then exams, and then certificates, and then projects, yeah. So like this I given, and then I have to close this aside, okay? So close the, okay, there we opened the unordered list, and I have to close that too. Then I am closing the aside, guys. Yeah, I just saved it. We'll see the output now. Yeah, see here, guys, aside. So in the left side, so these and all came, but I want the color is to be displayed, okay? So color is to be displayed, that's why. So to give the color, same for the aside I am creating aside. We can give the color whatever you want, okay? First I will give the color with, sorry, so color with whatever you want, you just give. Now I'm giving blue. Okay, sky blue. Sky blue I given. Just saved it. This, see here, this by we are specifying the contents by the unordered list, right? So that's why this color is changed. But I want the background color. Okay, so background color. Now it's not came because I given like this. Yeah, now it came. Now it came, but it's showing the entire thing. What else we need to do? Any guess? Any guess for that? So in order to align the things to left or right, so here we have one tag. Okay, so that is float. So one property, it's not a tag, float. So I want this to be of left. Okay, so here I'll just remove the anchor tag. So if you want these and all to be, if you want to add the link, you just give this, otherwise you just omit these things. Okay, fine. Yeah, so in order to align it to left or right, so I told you now float. So if you give right, that will be aligned to right. Okay, so see here guys, so it came to right. So you people might be observing this. So now it came to right. Right? Then so why these and all are collapsed? Any guess guys? Why these and all are collapsed? Because you need to specify that with div tag. Okay, so if you give div, so those will be separated, but again it's collapsed guys. Again it's collapsed because there also we given the same thing, here also we given the same thing. Okay, so fine. So this is how, in order to float the content to right. And then, so what else? If I wanted to float these things to left, in the sense, what we need to add? What we need to add guys? Same. So here I used one aside, that is floated to right. Same thing, I'm going with one more navigation bar. Okay, so whatever you want, so those things you just include. So navigation, so inside this same content I'm going to give. Okay, same content I'm going to give. Then here, so within the style float, you just give left. Okay, left. I will see now. Yeah, it came to left, but it's showing in red color, right? Why it's showing in red color? Because so in the navigation bar we specified these things with the red color. That's why it's showing with red color. Okay, so if I wanted to change this, so same by using the inline CSS. So as you people know, the inline CSS will overrides the external CSS and the internal CSS. That's why I am going like this. Background color, I am adding the background color here. So background color as so there we give sky blue. Now same thing here also I am going to give. Now yes, see here it's changed to blue color. So now left section completed, right section completed, then footer is in the same stage, right? So for that we need to add the content into the website. Okay, we need to add the content into the website. So for some time we will remove the, okay, so instead of removing, we will try to add the content into the website. Okay. Um, so after this footer completed, this thing completed. Now here I am going to add the content. Okay. So heading. So I'll go with head 6. Welcome to our portal. So I'm just try to close this heading and I want it to align to center. So for that I'm using the internal CSS itself. So text align. So I want that to be in center. Okay. Yeah, I just saved it and I'm trying to refresh it. See, the text came here, guys. The text came here. Why? Is there any guess? Why the text came here? So, in between these two, we'll try to see now. Same thing again, that gone to there, again that's gone to there. What we need to add? So in the layout I told you, no, what I told you, tell me. Some contents are need to be added, right? Wait a minute, I'll show you. So till now we done up to this. So footer, it's coming like this. So I just saved it and try to refresh it. It's coming like this. Then first I will change this footer to bottom. Okay, so for that I'm creating a style here for the footer. So for footer, so I want the padding. I think we already created for footer, I think so. Yeah, here it is. I will change, remove this. Here I am giving so background color with gray, light gray, whatever you want, you just give. And then I'm going to specify the padding of this. I will give it to 20 pixels. Then I try to save this. See, it came like this. Then first we need to add the content here. Okay, so that adding of the content is done by these tags we discussed, section tag, we will try to give this thing. Okay, we are given the welcome to our portal now. I'm going to give that with the section. So here I given, sorry, here section. We'll try to close this here. Now same thing again, it's just sorry, it's showing like that only. So though I given the division tag, it's showing like this only. Okay. Now password. Nada. Look me 977. Sorry guys. Fine. Okay. Aligning, some problem is coming, bro. We'll try to clarify it later, but we will see some interesting things here. That is a marquee tag. So marquee tag is nothing but it is used to scroll the text, guys. So in some website, scrolling text will be there, no? So we will try to add the scrolling text here. First, we will try to add the closing text. Moving text. So this can be done by opening the marquee tag. Marquee. Yeah, in our text editor, it's not available. Okay. Same. So marquee. So within the marquee, I want the width that is to be of 100%. That is, it should occupy the entire website. Okay. Width I am specifying. Width. So I want that is to be of 100 pixels. Sorry, 100%. Because I want that to be in entire website. Okay. So direction and all we will see later. So within this, you just give the content. So click here to join. Next, second notification. It is first notification. Then I'm giving second notification as new courses loading or launched, whatever. I'm just giving the content. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I just saved it. We will see the output once. See, on moving text is scrolling here, right? You might be observing. So the text is moving here, but it's coming from right to left. Right to left it's coming. If I want that to be move from left to right, in the sense, here you have to specify the direction. Okay, direction. So direction you need to give within the double quotes. You have to specify that. Okay, so there these and all are coming from right to left, but I want that to be right. Okay, I just saved this. See, the text is moving now from left to right. Okay, scrolling text is displaying right. Then what else I need to move the text to up? Same thing guys, nothing to worry, you just give up. So if you give up, the text will be moved to up. See, here observe, here you are observing right. So text is moving up. So same thing, if you wanted to move the text to be down, so you just give down. Now try to refresh it. See, the text is moving down. Okay, so this is how you are going to give guys. As there I mentioned with 100%, that's why it's showing like this. So if I change this to 50%, so I will just try to change it to 50%. Now we will see the output once. See, it came like this because as I given 50%, it came like this. Same thing. You can add the contents here as well. For that we will try to add the content. I use article tag. So article, I'm just specifying the paragraph, or else I just copy and paste somewhere else. Pre-tag is used to, in your exam also it came, so pre-tag is used to display the text as it is. Most of you people are attempted wrong. So see, here also my photo is scrolling now. So same marquee tag I used there itself. Okay, same marquee tag, nothing I changed there. This complete website is under my control only. I just saved it and we will see the output once. Again it's coming like this. Again it's coming like this. Though I given the marquee tag, the content is coming in back. Okay, so here width, I am trying to specify the width. So width, same 50% previously given, no? So 50%. We'll see once whether it works or not. No, as it is it came. As it is it came. I'll change the tag to article. We already tested. A section also we we already tested, but we will see once. Section. Same here also displaying. Okay. Okay, adding the text. So in between these aside and navbar we will see. Okay, no worry. So some error is coming here, that's why I am unable to do that. So till now you are clear, right? Okay, so then this marquee tag is completed, and then so you need to specify. See, the here we are given no. So this thing we need to include within the header. Why? Because so this everything comes under header now. Let's try to use. To suppose the header here. Now it's okay. Header is completed. Then article. So this is scrolling text is one article tag. One by one I will try to clarify. Just remove this. I'm going to mention it within one article. So this is one article. I saved it. And then okay. I will open one section. So section is nothing but the entire thing. So inside this section only all this will come. Okay, now the footer will be separated there. Okay, we will see the output. Again it is coming like that only. So I mentioned that within the same thing. Okay, sorry guys, due to some issue it's not showing. Definitely I will work out and try to change my laptop and I will show you. Okay, so definitely it will work. Then we will see. So till now navigation completed, header completed, aside also we have done. Then okay, so for the section we will try to change something. I will try to add some CSS property. So section table and clear both. I will explain the code once. Wait a minute. So content giving blank, so nothing is there. Okay. So after the section, okay, here I am giving only after the section. After see the output again. No, it's not coming. It's not at all displaying. Fine guys, we will see those things in next class, but definitely we will build one attractive website in the next class. Okay guys, sorry for my mistake. So due to some reasons that the border is collapsing, sorry, footer is collapsing in between those two. So in the next class definitely I will show you how the exact website is. Almost all the contents are same guys. See, these are the things that are available in the website. Article, we have seen article is nothing but the content. Okay, article, then aside. So here I deleted the text, right? Section width also we have checked. Okay guys, we'll see in next class guys. I'll share you the attendance link now. Try to fill the attendance. I'm really sorry for the thing, but I think we have seen something. The attendance link is in the comment section. Umar told that, bro, for every option we have to give separate code. inactive, so it's not visible. Screen paused, screen paused, screen paused. Like button, for everything we need to do code and we need to give the CSS properties. Or else in the next class I'll show you how to add the header and the footer from other websites, okay? From other formats or from other text files, how to import the header and the footer code, okay? Fine guys, once you're done with your attendance, try to leave the class. We'll see you next class. పవన్ లింక్ పెట్టినాడా? ఏం చేస్తున్నావురా? పెడతానవా? అదే పెడతానవా లేదా అని వేస్తాను. నేను వేస్తారా నెట్? చూడు, హోప్ టు ద బెస్ట్. ఎగిరిపోతే కలిసింటే నేను చూస్తాలే. ఉంటారా?